Well, good afternoon, folks. How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to take the time to demonstrate our pure sine wave inverter. It's by Leesky. It's 1,000 watt that we've been using to test all the wiring out, to make sure that we can go ahead and charge and use the power at the same time and get everything wired up. However, we got our full 2,000 watts, so this is going to be a demonstration of the 1,000 watt and an unboxing of the 2,000 watt Leesky pure sine wave inverter, 12 volt. Here we have it right here, and it's being wired through, coming and going up to a 250 amp fuse. And then we have the negative coming up to here. We have it on a board, and at first I was going to just put it on the side over here like this. However, having two batteries at 300 amp hours, I figured we could probably use a 2,000 watt instead of 1,000. So I've been just using it to do this. We've been power's up fine, nice and weight. Helps if I turn the power on. Okay. And we've been testing it with a 1,500 watt heater, and everything's been working just dandy with it. We can plug it up now. Plug it in there. As you can see, the red light is on. We can turn it on the fan. Fan's blowing. We can turn it on. Heater's on now, coming out nice and hot. And the wires all run nice and smooth. They don't get super warm. And I ran this thing for like 15-20 minutes at one time. Just kept on running it, and it did fine. However, with 150 amp hour, the battery does go pretty quick on there. So we can turn that off now. And basically, you know, it's something that I recommend. It's nice and hefty for 1,000 watt. It never got warm once running it, and everything seemed to be running fine. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of the 2,000 watt and take a look to see what the differences are, and then we'll compare the two after I unbox it. Okay, thanks. Alright, this is going to be a simple unboxing of the 2,000 watt pure watt inverter by Leesky. It came pretty, the box is pretty heavy. We're going to see what it looks like inside. There we go. Pure sine, 12 volt AC. Kind of unbelievable it was so heavy. Comes in a really pretty large box here. I wonder if the case will hold it all. Go ahead and set this down right here, get rid of the box. I'll do what everybody else does. Toss it to the side. Alright. Well, the box looks a little bit mangled, but that's Amazon for you. That's not them. Let's take a look at this. Professional reliable power supply. Comes with these, just for padding. Comes with the feet, which I like. I have them installed on the other one as well. And here we go. Comes with the cabling for the on-off. Some core cabling, and then a ground cable. This looks like 6 double 6s. Be able to tell here in a second when I open it. Here we go. Let's take a look to see what that says. High grade, it's really pliable. It's nice, but it doesn't tell me what the gauge is on here. Just tells me it's made of high cable. Okay. Well, it doesn't say the gauge. I'm going to say double sixes, which is going to be nice to make sure that we don't overheat on the wiring for the current. And let's take this out of here. She is a big unit, isn't she? So far I don't see, oh, here it is right here. This is for the on-off switch. Don't want to throw that out. Tell you the voltage and stuff for it. And here we go. Just get rid of the boxes. Well, after we get the plastic off of here. Here we go. There we go. Compared to the other one, this is quite got the heft to it. Nice dual fan system on the back. Heavy duty for here. We could probably put some protectors when we wire it up so nothing happens and gets clogged up. And of course we have some reset, amperage, our ground wires. We have all this right here. Pretty nice. Let's take a look to see how big this thing is. It's reading right around 19¼ inches, and it's going to be at least a good 9 inches wide. That's a good hefty one. Well, that's all that comes with this, and the unboxing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull the other one out, and we'll show you what it looks like, and compared to the 1000, and I think you'll be impressed. Leesky, Leesky. I'll have a link below where you can find them, and I think we're going to have a nice, decent inverter for our portable generator. Okay, till next time. Alright folks, just a small demonstration. This is the Leesky 1000 watt, and you can see the 2000 watt how it actually pretty well dwarfs the 1000. A little larger than I thought it would be, but fantastic. So it should be able to. You can tell that it's all through here. You can tell on the sides here that we have the screws going in, probably to the MOSFETs, and nice system right here. Yeah, it's actually pretty heavy. It's going to take some pretty good bolts to hold this in place, but I got them, so that's all pretty good. Just wanted to show the difference between the two. This worked great, especially for our testing purposes. Never failed once out of the 2-3 months we've been building this, and this one here is going to be a great addition to the system. Go ahead and look it below, or if you're watching this on Amazon, it'll be right there for you to go ahead and select. Both of them are very economical, but they seem well built. Okay, thank you.